Hey everybody, I'm Swazi. Thanks for clicking on this video. Welcome to my channel. You may be new to my channel, but I can tell you right now, if you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, you will be absolutely amazed in the near future. And not only that, if you take 5 minutes to watch this video, it definitely changed my life, and I'll show you how you can change yours too. Let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to break down this video into a few different segments: opportunities, toolbox, and tools. Now, judging if you click this video based upon the title, you may be wondering where I'm coming from. Well, I work at Tire Kingdom. Like I mentioned, I work at Tire Kingdom. You may be wondering what I do there. Well, I'm an installation technician at Tire Kingdom. Tire Kingdom provides a substantial amount of benefits. Now let's go over a few of topics before we jump straight into how you can get the toolbox and the tools for absolutely free. Opportunity. Tire Kingdom offers an amazing experience and opportunity that I'm almost positive none of you know about, because I can tell you right now, I definitely had no clue about it, especially jumping right out of high school. The first topic of opportunities is professional support. This just means like job training. And then we also have the apprenticeship program and professional development, etc. For example, when I started at Tire Kingdom, I legitimately didn't even know how to do a simple oil change. That's the easiest thing you can do. And within a year's time frame, I can seriously already now be replacing tie rods, CV axles, batteries, brakes. They even taught me how to align cars, full-on alignments, camber, caster, tow, anything. They taught me how to do all that, and I haven't done any kind of college yet. Now, with that being said, I'm qualified to do these jobs with no college schooling or training. Tire Kingdom provides all training, schooling, and they even pay for you to take your ASE certification test exams, which, I don't know about you, but I don't know very many companies that pay for you to take your ASE testing. Most people are actually confused with this idea. You don't need to go to college or a trade school to learn how to do these kinds of jobs. And that's what I'm here to tell you, because I didn't do any of that at all. I'm 19 years old. I have no automotive college experience or training in any way, yet now I'm an installation tech at Tire Kingdom, doing all the things I just told you that I can replace and had no clue how to do before I started working there. Tire Kingdom also offers many benefits from insurance, just like any other companies, with those being such as health insurance, vacation and paid time off, discounts, family benefits, and financial. And what I mean by that is like retirement, your 401k plan and whatnot. We have all those kinds of things just like regular jobs, and they take great care of the employees. And like I said, when I first started as a mechanic, I was 18 years old, and I'm now 19, and you have to be 18 to work at Tire Kingdom. So if you guys hop on that and get hired at Tire Kingdom right when you turn 18, within just a year, you can have everything I have, and guess what? You get to keep it for the rest of your life. So why wouldn't you do this if it gets all for free to you? Now, moving on here into segment 2, like I mentioned, you get a toolbox for working here, and that's if you get promoted to my position of Automotive Service Technician 3, and they send you this badass toolbox. You get to keep it forever. It's all yours. Move the camera off the tripod here for a second so we can get a full walk around view of this thing. Fully closing and locking. Lock up all your tools in there. It comes with a handle. It's got all these rails where you can put stuff in. It's probably got about 10 different ones up in there. On the other side, it's also got all this room to put stuff in. You got room to put sockets back there. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers, and this drawer is really big. You can see how deep that is. I can hand all the way up in there. I got stuff on top of stuff. And then it comes with a bottom drawer where you lay all the stuff out here on the bottom. All this stuff can hang up on here, and these wheels lock. You can lock them down to keep it from rolling. They send you this box for absolutely free for working here. Decorate it, put stickers on it, make it yours. It's pretty crazy, man. I mean, shoot, they send you this. I'm making enough money to afford this thing. I don't see how this isn't the best job for a car guy. I don't understand how people don't even know about this. Guys, we have segment 3. Segment 3 of this video is going to be about tools, because not only do they give you the toolbox, but they got to give you some tools to fill it up. So of course they're going to give you some tools. Let's go check them out. Now I have filled up some of these tools my own already. They give you all these really nice blue and yellow screwdrivers. Phillips heads, flatheads, small, skinny, tiny ones, you know, the usual. They don't give you nothing in here. That's all my stuff. They give you every single one of these pliers, vice grips, every single plier, oil filter pliers, needle nose, everything, dikes. Now again, remember I said I bought a few of my own things. I've bought these wrenches here. They give you this, 1, 2, 3, all these extensions, different sizes for different ratchets. And they give you this big socket set right here. They also give you this socket set and this one. You got a deep well long socket, and then you got these shorter ones. They give you all that. These are my 2 boxes I put in here. And they give you this kick-ass hammer. They give you this super long, awesome big pry bar. This is the best pry bar I have. Again, I have filled my box up recently since I've gotten all my tools with a bunch of stuff, so it's kind of hard. They give you a digital multimeter. They gave me that. They also give you, this is a 4-in-1 brake caliper decompressor, so you have to decompress the piston when you're changing brakes because you can't fit the pads in there unless you decompress it. One of the most useful tools. I use this thing all the time. They give you a bunch of other like drum brake spring parts back here. See all that? These are ones I haven't even opened because I don't use them that often, but they got all kinds of different stuff they give you up in here, man. So I think you guys get the point of what I'm saying here. Essentially, you see everything I have here. Obviously I own a lot more stuff, but I make well enough money to afford this, to give me this for free. I now get to keep this forever. I'm set up for life in the fact of those tools. I'll always have those basic mechanic set tools that I can always use for any kind of job. You know? So it's just a really great opportunity and experience, and it's amazing that they give you all these things and that they show you how it is. Like I said, guys, I'm Swazi. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for checking out my channel. I hope you guys like and subscribe and stay tuned for more, because I'm going to have a lot more in store for you guys. And don't forget, share this video. Tell all your friends. If you like cars, if your friends like cars, anybody. I know I definitely like cars. You guys have seen my car. There she is, sitting right there. If you guys like cars, all of you guys can get this exact same opportunity, all the tools and the toolbox for free. All you got to do is learn how to work on cars, which they teach you, and then keep continuing to pursue your career in mechanics.